Have you seen such a beautiful sight? Everyone's feeling jolly tonight. I can't wait for that look in your eyes.
And welcome to Rooted in Essential Oils. My name is Famous and welcome to this video. We are still doing Vlogmas. So today we are doing some juicing because we're all about that health and wellness. I've been doing a lot of fun activities lately and we're getting back to that health and wellness. So we are going to be juicing, and what we'll be juicing is a gala apple. We have two of them. Or no, they're not gala apples, they're Fuji apples. We have an orange. We have a sweet potato. And I know you're like, what? Sweet potato. And we have a lemon and some turmeric. So those are the things we are going to be juicing. We are going to wash our fruits before we do anything. And I like to use this plant-based cleaner. So it's on my website, and if you're not familiar with the channel, I'm all about that health and wellness and using natural plant-based products for my everyday needs, like washing my fruits and vegetables. And all you need is 1 capful of this solution, and it's called Thieves Fruit and Veggie Wash, and you can get it off of my website. And then you fill it up with water. I like to use warm water, and we just let this soak for 90 seconds. And in 90 seconds, we will rinse that off. For the ginger, we are gonna just take a piece of this off because we're not gonna use the whole thing. And we want a big, kind of a big piece. Bam, kind of a big piece. And I'm gonna actually add one more thing to this. And we're gonna add some cranberries. We have fresh cranberries, and some of them are starting to go bad though, so we're gonna have to pick through these. But we do have fresh cranberries, and I've never juiced a cranberry, so we're gonna see what it gives. I'm probably gonna just do a handful, and because it is the holiday season, why not? But I gotta pick through them because some of them are like looking a little soft. I don't see any like mold or anything, but I've had them for like maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks almost. So they're starting to turn. They almost look like grapes. You know how grapes look when they start to turn? Well, that's what these cranberries are looking like. Not all of them, just some of them have that flesh, that soft fleshy skin. But we got a handful, so we're gonna juice the ginger. I hope I didn't say turmeric earlier. We're juicing ginger and cranberries. All right, we're gonna dump these in the water with the rest of it. Swish that around. Now I know you're like, that solution that you're using looks like soap. It is not soap, but it is washing our fruits with all natural ingredients. So with Thieves, it has 5 essential oils: lemon, clove, eucalyptus, rosemary, and cinnamon bark. And anytime you see the word Thieves, it will have those 5 in them. So yeah, and we've had this for quite some time, and all we use is 1 capful at a time, and we soak and then we rinse. So we're done. Now that our fruit is ready to be cut, I just cut these into smaller pieces, that way we can juice it with the juice machine that I have. You have to cut them not like super small, and small enough to where it can fit into the machine. And like these apples, we just cut these in half. We quartered it, and then we're cutting those pieces in half. And we have 2 apples, 1 orange, 1 sweet potato, like medium size. Well, for the lemon, we are only going to do half a lemon. And I'm already cutting the apple a different way, but it's okay. It is okay. And I have juiced sweet potato before. This will be my second time doing it, and it actually has a very nice flavor. I've never done this combination before, but with this one, it's gonna be interesting to see how it's gonna play with the citrus. I think it will do just fine, but we shall see. It gives it a little creamy, like smooth texture when you do the sweet potato. And for this lemon, we cut it in half, and then I am going to take the skin off, because we don't want it super bitter. We're gonna leave some of the white, but not all of it. All right, get those seeds out of there. And I do appreciate you guys joining me tonight. I hope all is well. I hope you are having a great Sunday night. I appreciate you being here, fam. All right, so now we're gonna do this orange, and then we'll do the sweet potato last, and then we can start juicing. This orange smells so sweet. I'm trying to leave some of the white too. All right, so we got some white on the, I'm gonna take a little bit off, because it's just a little much with the white. All right. And then we'll quarter this. I believe this is an orange that does not have seeds. Yeah, there's no seeds. All right, now it's sweet potato time. I am gonna peel this, and I got a peeler here. If you want to be old school and use your knife, go for it. I just find it a little faster with the peeler. I haven't cut a potato like that in a very long time. With a knife, like peeling it. Alright, we're gonna cut this end off, cut the other end off. And we are going to cut the sweet potatoes playing around. ain't trying to cut ourselves. Again, we're gonna cut this small enough to where it can fit in the juicer. So I'm gonna make almost like fries, you know, like steak fries, but not quite steak fries. We just want it to fit in the machine without it getting all clogged up. And this is everything that we are juicing. And I am gonna leave the skin on the ginger. So now that we have everything cut up, let's start juicing. We are going to juice the sweet potato first. On my juicer, everything's gonna come into the catcher, which is my measuring cup, and then we're gonna pour it in the glass, one at a time. And we might need 2 glasses. Quite a bit of juice from the sweet potato. So this is all the sweet potato juice. And it looks like carrot juice, but it's not. So the benefits of juicing a sweet potato, there is a lot of A, B6, vitamins in here. You're getting a lot of fiber, potassium, iron. It's great for your skin, great for your eyes, great for your gut health. If you're not aware, it's great for that antioxidants, and great for inflammation. So juice you some sweet potato. Next, we are going to juice the apple, the Fuji apple. All the apple juice, the Fuji apple juice. Fuji apples are very sweet, and I like to use them, but so with the apple juice, the Fuji apple is great for fiber, but it's also going to do some benefits with your electrolytes. It can help balance that. It has natural sugar, so this is going to sweeten the juice, and it's great for your gut because you're getting your fiber, antioxidants. It is filled with vitamin C as well. Next, we are going to juice the citrus fruits. So we'll do the orange and the lemon together because there's not a lot of lemon and we want to get the maximum. So we got both orange and lemon in hand. Turn it on. Oh yeah. Alright, the rest of the orange. So with citrus, of course, it's great for that vitamin C. It's also going to hydrate you. It's going to give you that immune system support. So whether it's seasonal or something just coming about, you know, the winter season is here. it will help with that. So lemon and orange are both great for that, and it's also great for your gut health too. So let's pour this in the jar with the rest of the juices. And we might make it, y'all, with this one jar. So for this last bit, we are gonna juice this all together. I'll probably try to get as much of it as I can in one hit. That way we get as much of the juice as possible. I've never juiced a cranberry, so I don't know what we're gonna get, but let's see. A little juice. Smells amazing. It's like popcorn trying to leave. So with the cranberries, you do get a lot of gut health with this. It's also good for UTIs, supporting that. It can flush out bad bacteria in your body. Cranberries are great. They're also a source of vitamin C. And with the ginger, of course, we all know ginger's a powerhouse. And it is great for inflammation, soreness, joints, all that great stuff. So if you're having any type of inflammation, whether it's sickness or you just want to boost up your immune system, the ginger is the way to go. And we're just gonna add this. We didn't get a lot, but we're gonna add it, and it's gonna be a powerhouse to this. And we're just gonna mix that up. Let's stir this up. Let's stir this up. Everything is in there. And we do have a glass with some ice. And let's pour up. I like the color. It's like a pale orange. This is gonna be a great juice. Cheers. I like how it's like right in between sweet and not sweet. That sweet potato definitely gives it like a smooth texture. The citrus isn't too heavy, and you know me, I'm not really big on citrus fruits, but this is good. I like this combination. So good I had to chug it. But this will stay good to go for another 3 days. And I usually drink a glass a day, so we'll be gone in 2 days. But I thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you do this juice, let me know what you think. It's definitely a great one, and I tried to add a little twist to it with adding the cranberries because we had them. But it's a good juice, and I'll definitely be making this again. But thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one, which is tomorrow. We don't know if it's a live or a, like, we do it all over here. A live, shorts, post. Check all the content out. Also, this Friday coming up on the 12th, we will be doing a giveaway. So if you haven't been watching the content, please go back and watch it, because I will be asking specific questions about some things that happen. So thank you. I appreciate you. I'll see you on my next one, which is tomorrow. Bye for now. Love you always. And as you always, pay for your health now or pay for your sickness later. Till next time. Bye for now. Love you.